गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
नमस्कार। केंद्रीय सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्रालय की ओर से आयोजित 71वें राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार समारोह में माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू की गरिमामय उपस्थिति के लिए हम आदरपूर्वक उनका हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं। मंच पर आसीन सम्मानीय अतिथिगण का भी हृदय से स्वागत है। संपूर्ण भारतवर्ष से आए हुए पुरस्कृत कलाकार, निर्णायक मंडल एवं समस्त विशिष्ट अतिथिगण जिनकी उपस्थिति से ये आयोजन और अधिक सार्थक बन रहा है, आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है। ये पुरस्कार समारोह भारतीय फिल्मों की श्रेष्ठता और रचनात्मकता से परिचित होने के साथ साथ सिनेमा जगत की महत्वपूर्ण शख्सियतों से रूबरू होने का भी एक अनुपम अवसर प्रदान करता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, we extend a warm welcome to distinguished guests on the stage, and we put our hands together for Honorable President Srimati Draupadi Murmu, Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Railways, Electronics and IT, Shri Ashwani Vaishnav, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Sanjay Jaju, our esteemed jury members, Shri Ashutosh Gwarikar, Shri P. Sheshadri, and Shri Gopal Krishna Pai.
कार्यक्रम की औपचारिक शुरुआत करते हुए मैं सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्रालय के माननीय सचिव श्री संजय जाजू जी को स्वागत संबोधन प्रस्तुत करने के लिए सादर आमंत्रित करती हूं।
Respected Rashtrapati ji, Honorable Minister Shri Ashwani Vaishnav ji, distinguished jury chairs Shri Ashutosh Gwarikar ji, Shri P. Sheshadri ji, Shri Gopal Krishna Pai ji, all the awardees, members of the film fraternity, officials, friends from media, bhaiyon aur behnon. It's my privilege to welcome you all this evening to the 71st National Film Awards. आज की ये शाम एक समारोह से ज्यादा एक उत्सव है। उत्सव कहानियों का, उत्सव सपनों का, उत्सव कला का, जो हम सबको जोड़ती है। Cinema in India is not only what we watch on screen, it's our collective laughter, our shared silence, and the dreams that bind generations. The National Film Awards have always stood at the confluence of preservation and innovation. And this year, we see both vividly. Films like 12th Fail echo the grit of ordinary Indians, while Kathal makes us smile even as it sharpens our social awareness. Udduluk brings female voices powerfully to the fore. Ringdo Ginta confronts us with hard truths, while Jawan and Rocky or Rani ki Prem Kahani show that mainstream cinema can carry both joy and meaning. Alongside these films, Vash, Parking and Pushkar reminds us that linguistic diversity and local stories enrich our collective imagination. Friends, this evening belongs to legends and also to firsts. Padma Bhushan, Shri Mohanlal ji is honored with the Dada Sahab Phalke Award. For more than 4 decades, he has been many men on screens. Soldier, poet, neighbor, king. And yet, in the hearts of millions, he has always remained Lalitan. He shows us that cinema is not just performance, it's also humility and service. And then history is made. Shri Shah Rukh Khan ji, the man whose smile has crossed borders, whose dialogues have become our collective vocabulary, receives his first national award. His journey from Delhi theatre to global stardom is a story in itself. मैं कौन हूं? मैं क्या हूं? He asks in Jawan. Tonight, the answer is simple. He is not just the national award winner, but he is forever the King of Hearts. Sitting beside him is Sri Vikrant Messi, also a first-time winner, honored for 12th fail. His journey from television sets to this stage mirrors the resilience of millions of young Indians who refuse to give up on their dreams. And Rani Mukherjee, very difficult to say, Rani Mukherjee ji, winning her first national award for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. She brought alive the indomitable spirit of a mother and strength of a mother. एक माँ की ताकत दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ताकत होती है. Her triumph tonight is the triumph of every mother who fights for her children. Even the awards themselves saw a first. Hanuman, recognized in the AVGC category, showing how India is ready to embrace the future of animation, gaming, and visual storytelling. Then, this year is also a year of legends and many firsts. But the story of this year does not end with the stars. The non-feature awards remind us that cinema also thrives in silence, in reflection, in courage. Flowering Man, a sensitive portrayal of identity in families. God, Vulture and Humor, exploring organ donation through the eyes of coordinators. Mao, the spirit dreams of Chera, reviving a cultural tradition of Mizoram. Sunflowers were the first ones to know, meditating on belief and memory. और फिर फिल्में जैसे लिटिल विंग्स, धुंधगिरी के फूल, मूविंग फोकस, जो दिखाती है कि सिनेमा केवल कहानी नहीं बल्कि संगीत, लय और रोशनी भी है. यह फिल्म बड़े पर्दे की छाया में नहीं है बल्कि उसके मायने और गहराई को और बढ़ाती है. None of this would have been possible without our esteemed jury. I offer my heartfelt thanks to all the members of the jury led by Shri Ashutosh Govarikar ji, Sheshadri ji and Gopal Krishna Pai ji. With fairness, wisdom and sensitivity, they have shaped this evening's celebrations. आपका योगदान अमूल्य है. Friends, a few months back, India also hosted the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES. It was not a conference, it was a festival of culture, creativity and technology. At WAVES, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji said, "This is the time of dawn of orange economy in India. Content, creativity and culture. These are the three pillars of our orange economy." Unquote. वह एक ऐसा मंच था जहां सितारे भी थे, बड़े CEOs भी थे और युवा क्रिएटर्स भी थे. They all stood together, not separated by age or title, but united by imagination. It was a humane moment where the wisdom of experience met the daring of youth, where cinema, music, gaming and technology came together in one conversation. It shows us that the future of India's creative economy is not about silos, but about bridges. As I stand here this evening, we see more than awardees and winners. We see a family of storytellers, from the young student in Pune who dared to make Flowering Man, to the superstar whose Jawan brought millions to the theatres, from the delicate voice of Garo cinema to the grand vision of Malayalam legends. This is the magic of Indian cinema. एक देश, हजारों कहानियां, लेकिन एक जुनून, कहानी कहने का जुनून. Our cinema makes us laugh together, cry together, and sometimes even sit in silence together. But above all, it brings us together. This is its greatest gift. आज यहां बैठे सिनेमा जगत के फनकार, कलाकार और सम्मानित हस्तियों के लिए दो शब्द कह के अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगा. नए किस्से, नई कहानियां, किरदार आएंगे कई। मोम की तरह हर शक्ल में मैं ढल जाना चाहता हूं। मैं ख्यालों को लफ्जों का गहना पहनाना चाहता हूं, दिल को अपनी यादों से फिर बहलाना चाहता हूं। Once again, on behalf of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you and everyone who carries cinema in their hearts. I welcome you all to this celebration of creativity, courage and storytelling. Dhanyawad. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.